So this is going to start my series of ripping in the backcountry, I think is what I'm going to call it. And what I'm doing is I'm headed to go pick up a sled for my buddy Dan, who lives in Michigan, which is where I'm from, and he wants to come out here backcountry ride with me, which I've never been either. So it's just basically a bunch of two idiots going to do some stupid shit and probably get engulfed by an avalanche, but we'll see. Today we found a bomber for him, a nice 06 Ski-Doo Summit 800. Looks like he had a little bump and grind on a tree, just on the front bumper, but got to check and make sure that nothing's bent or anything. But it's about a 2-hour trip, so I'll see you when I get there. I don't know if they're gonna like me recording, so I might just record and then narrate over it. We'll see. The guy's house burnt down like 2 days ago. He's sending his wife. I don't know. It's a weird situation, but we're going anyways because we like to rip. I like to rip. So I'll see you there. This is for the guy requesting Britney Spears. That's it. That's all you get. We're home, boys and girls. There she is. The old blue slick beauty. She's a hair bit dirty. I'm not sure if they were mud racing with this thing or what they were doing, but she is dirty. Like with 2 T's, maybe even 3. So we're just gonna do a quick walk around, show you what's up. It's gonna start the rebuild series here. So this front horn in there, she got bent up pretty bad. Let's see if we can look at it from here. That whole hood hinge bracket there needs to get bent back. Good thing to check is how hard it hit the can up here. And it honestly didn't hit that bad. I've seen them where they were all the way crushed in over here. So that's not too bad. Hood's got this nice crack in her. Front bumper needs to be probably replaced or something fabricated that's a little bit stronger, obviously. The nun is a hair bit bent. You can tell here because look at that distance there. Now we'll come around to this side here. Look at that distance there. It's a good ½ inch bent, which I've seen way worse, honestly. I feel like we'll probably be able to pull this guy out if we wanted to. But yeah, I got a decent little crack here. It's missing all of the vents. Like a guy just didn't want the vents anymore, so he just plucked them out. I'm not really sure what's going on there. And this is just nasty, just soggy, nasty, moldy, yummy goodness. This is an 06. It's a 144 track, just like mine. She just needs a little love. think the plan for this is she's going to get a wrap after we fix some of the plastics, and obviously she's going to get cleaned. Needs some new grips. These things are just shredded. Look at that. Look at that. Somebody had some man hands and they were really going after it. Yeah, let's take a look in here. Come on, baby. All right, so we do have some play in the primary clutch here. But I was told those are just some O-rings. They're like $1 a piece. There's 6 of them that just kind of keep that from playing. Everything, honestly, the motor is really clean. I was pretty surprised for how dirty the sled is. I mean, it needs to be washed, but not bad, honestly, for what it is. Still got the toolkit. It's got more holes in the footrest than mine does over there, which is nice to get the snow out. The seat's ripped here. But I want to tell you guys, this was $1,000. It's got 2,200 miles on it. It's a 144 track. Like, it runs. I'm gonna set it up here in a second and do a cold start on it. Haven't started it since I picked it up, which was yesterday. And so yeah, that's her. Do one more little walk around here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Could use a couple bogey wheels, but for $1,000, like, come on. Doesn't get much better. Here's my guy here. Yeah, I mean, she needs some love. Let's be honest here. That windshield just has to go. Why would you? It's halfway broken off. Why would you even? I don't understand. Guy missed when pouring the oil in there. She's a little slimy. She got some. They had to have been rock racing this bitch. I mean, this thing. It is nasty in there. All right. Well, I'll set you up, and we shall do a cold start. And it is cold. It is, like I said, negative 10 degrees. So, yep. Yikes. Well, guys, that's the end of this part one. There's going to be several parts for this old butte right here. So stay subscribed or be subscribed. And there's going to be some cool things coming to the channel soon. So keep up with those notifications and watch these videos. Gosh dang it. I need more views. Just kidding. I just like doing this. This is fun. This is stuff I'm normally doing anyway. So putting it out there for you guys. Maybe it'll help somebody. Just be good to each other, and see you in part 2.